Christmas special. I've roped these guys in and we're going to do hot sauce challenge.
Right. I've got to dip my sauce in.
Because it's Christmas, got pigs in blankets.
Jalapenos.
That's what we're going to use to taste.
Jalapenos.
Jalapeno, we should
Yeah, that's
smash
their.
it.
I should smash
let me have a
that
look.
one.
That's
I love
Their ketchup, I think.
so that's their original hot sauce. I have got some little.
That's
Do you want to pass it down and start putting a bit on your plates, or?
Yeah, I'll probably say when.
Right, so it's the original hot sauce.
Wow.
Easing you in with our classic hot
Yeah,
sauce.
man.
Don't say we aren't nice.
Oh. Smell it first.
This is just the first one, mate.
Yeah, I know.
So they
smell it.
obviously get hotter as
Yeah, they
go,
get hot.
Yeah?
This is a one chili, so
You've been cooking these all day, Dale.
cooked them 3 times, mate, because I didn't want to give you food poisoning. Right,
No,
that
Dad,
one,
what's your
Masters
YouTube
in the
channel
morning.
called?
it's called Untamed Wild.
His YouTube channel
Today,
called
it
Untamed
might
World.
change.
He's Hazard Outdoors, and I don't know if he.
Yeah, I don't know.
that's-
That's still
that's
got a
enough
bit of
for
a
you.
kick.
A bit of a kick, that's nothing, mate,
No.
this one.
That's nothing,
He's
Dad.
going to have fun when he gets to the
No,
bottom.
I'm useless, mate.
Where's the kick? I'm waiting for it.
Yes, so am I.
Yeah?
Yeah, me.
Spicy, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely
I'm
spicy.
dumb, for sure.
I
This
don't
this
like
is a
There you are.
sriracha
I'd like
chili
it.
sauce.
Oh,
Sure it's-
that
yeah,
sounds good.
sure.
Sriracha. Do you want to pass it on and
Want me to hold that whilst you...
Yeah,
my phone?
You was
that, mate.
reading these out the other day and mullering the names, so let me just.
Sriracha. Sriracha.
move.
What is it then? What do you call it? Right, well, basically it says, take it up a notch with our twist
Take it
on the
up a what?
Southeast Asian classic.
The Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Actually, straight
Sriracha.
in.
Alright.
He's whacked a...
Southeast Asia.
Asia.
Wow.
See, that's
Oh,
why
that's
none of them
spicy.
can.
Is it?
No,
Right, I think we're going to have to... What's
Edit
that?
a
Is that the lid?
Is it hot, is it?
Are we going to need some more plates, do you reckon? Or
No,
more
no,
sausages,
sausages,
mix the
mate.
sauces up.
Is that hot, Arch?
Yeah, that's spicy.
Is it?
Is it? Is it?
Right, let's get into it. Or sausages and just...
Do you know what? I didn't think that was too bad, actually.
That one,
That's right.
I don't think that one was even as hot as the
No,
first one.
no,
No,
Was it?
no.
Well,
a bit-
So that's
Meatball man menu.
so how are you
That's
pronounce
more- that
how
was
we
more
pronouncing
fit.
it then?
Sriracha.
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 So that's a 2 chili.
A bottle of milk with me. When you said just bring beer, I was just going to fill up a bottle of beer and put
bread.
milk.
Loaf of bread.
Yeah.
Oh, so the next one,
This is the
buffalo.
Yeah, you should.
So here.
Well, if you want to
That
do
one
that,
looks like it's gonna
then
be
maybe
hot.
at the end you can mix every single one of them together and
Just
just
have a big old...
have a
Big
spoonful.
old one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
All right.
think you try to scare me, but.
She's a bit thick,
I
this
don't
one,
know. I see
mate.
you the other day with
you
Kent
said that,
survival sausage.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
The
you
old
did
barbecue
that,
got a bit
you
off
did
here,
that
didn't it?
zoomy bit. Yeah, but I just wasn't expecting that.
Trade secrets, mate. A thin one, is it?
Nah, it's like just all and then nothing. You know which one it is.
Ah,
All and then nothing.
yeah. It's a bit
Or do you mean
Nothing.
all or nothing?
Nah, nothing then all.
Yeah.
like- Nothing then all, yeah, that's better.
That's what I mean.
All
Right,
then
there we
nothing.
Oh, a little dollop there. There's a little dollop there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Really?
A little baby dollop, mate.
And
Mate,
he
Oh,
just
that,
said
that
that
one
he-
smells a bit
He
more,
said
doesn't it?
he eats chilies, he does.
Yeah, but I want to
yours
taste
ain't much
it.
better. What, you're not painting a little watercolour, mate? Quite an artist, though.
Don't want to mix them up, mate. Right,
Yeah,
go on
that's
then.
exactly
Go on
the
then.
point. I'm trying to
Dig
taste
in.
Right. Right. So this is buffalo.
Buffalo, yeah.
Yeah, buffalo hot sauce.
Right, let's get a big old whack on it.
Yeah, still not that hot.
Isn't it? Let's get...
No,
No. Too
I
more
don't-
scarfish.
I
That
definitely
just
wouldn't
don't
say.
taste very nice.
Definitely wouldn't say.
It is
it's a
weird,
3.
isn't it? It's
It just don't taste very
tastes
nice.
like Tabasco.
Yeah.
Actually, I
that-
quite liked it,
Yeah,
to
yeah,
be
yeah,
I
fair.
like that one.
I definitely wouldn't
Right,
say
mate?
it's a 3.
You are?
All right, She, you trying this one?
No, a buffalo, mate.
You want to try a bit of that one? Oh, you got some in your plate,
Yeah.
ain't you?
It's not a bowl, mate.
Well,
I can't reach.
That's not that. Yeah,
stand up, dude.
Yeah, have another bowl. Here, Arch, take that, mate.
No, this one's there, mate. But remember that one there. And it
Need
ain't that
another
hot.
bowl?
You'll be fine. This one.
Yeah, I've got another bit of a spot on mine, so I'll wait. But
That's good. Now he's already started letting out rippers. Sod off the dirty little grubber.
Right.
right, we're already on number 4. Yeah.
Actually, do you know what? That is
That was
starting to kick after.
Yeah.
Are you
That's
getting that
quite
after
nice,
kick on
quite
it?
nice.
I quite like that one, to be fair.
Back in my
I
throat.
could imagine that on the chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the wings.
Yeah, maybe a bit different on there, but.
Right, so next up we've got.
It's gonna fucking explode.
Really little thing.
Right, we're on to the habanero. Is that right?
Yeah.
Have I got
How
that
much
right? Yeah.
chilies is that?
Yeah.
We're on to habanero now. So this one
These
here,
are spicy.
this is a feisty one, fruity and hot.
Yeah.
Fruity and hot.
Fruity and hot.
This one for this is a Californian one.
This is like the.
Habanero.
That's not that bad.
I've only had two.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, alright, man.
It smelled bad, but it was actually quite nice.
I don't know if
I don't know if I like smell.
It was
Oh, I
just,
don't know.
Sweet.
That's right. Yeah.
Coming through a bit
How
now.
much?
it was
Grab
just
that.
that second one I didn't
Grab a
like.
fair amount.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm still
Well, I
sleeping
don't
now.
know, actually.
Yeah.
That is getting a bit warm now.
Gives a bit of kick after, innit? That's nice though.
No, I like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. We're on to the last one now.
Last bowl.
And
last
then
bowl.
you can't have just a little bit.
I've got a bit of a sweaty
You've
lip
got,
going on.
you've got to have a fair
How many
bit, alright?
sausages in there?
So we're on to the habanero ketchup. This one's got 22 habanero peppers in it. Fair amount of that, not
Intravenous.
tiny bit. Don't wuss out on
Hey,
it.
have you seen my bowl?
So just have a.
You've run out of
Spoon.
sausages, mate.
Yeah,
Have you got like 5 teaspoons?
Has everyone got sausage? I've got a bit of
4
bacon.
Yeah,
I'm alright.
I've got a sausage in here.
I have sausage and bacon.
We've got
Yeah, have
no
you got 5
sausage.
teaspoons? We'll do a
I'll
spoon.
I'll get one.
It's all going to rub my eyes with it.
Well, that one. Yeah, yeah, I can do that.
With a bit on
Yeah,
it.
yeah, we'll do that. That's fine.
Yeah. 5 teaspoons, and we'll have a bit of each sauce on
What one
each
are you
teaspoon
having?
until it
'Cause I'm
fills
having
it.
this.
You mean 5 as in shared
All
out
4.
two?
Oh no, yeah, 5. So
Not 5 each.
no, 5
Has,
spoons between
barrel
us.
I
and...
don't want
Yeah.
to give myself like gastroenteritis or anything. You know what I
But
mean?
then
Have you guys got sausages?
I've got a bit
Yeah,
of
I've
bacon,
got one,
mate.
yeah.
I've got
Yeah,
half
yeah.
one here. Yeah.
There's a link. Got a bit on my finger.
Right, loads of it on there, yeah? Right.
Jesus, man.
Yeah, I think that should be at the end.
No, hang on.
Whack
No,
that
come on. A
up
bit
big
more than
time.
that, mate.
Well, that's what I'm
No,
saying.
come
If
on.
Dad, can
I
try
can't
that
get
again?
any more on there.
Go on, get
It's
some more on the
dripping
plate.
off, yeah?
Mate,
Literally.
I've just licked my finger.
That's it.
Ah.
That's it.
I've
Seriously,
just licked. I've just
I'll let
licked.
you
Have
wait
eaten it?
we should do the old.
I'm having
We
another.
should just have a
Mate, I just
spoonful of each, or not a spoonful
Oh,
of
damn.
each, but a spoonful of all of them collectively at the end.
Yeah, if you
Uh,
want.
Just a spoonful of it.
Right. Who's
Yeah, that
gone?
one's
You
hot.
you already gone, have you?
Whew.
You already had it.
That's right, isn't it?
Oh, that tastes horrible.
Yeah, I ain't keen on that one.
Oh.
Was that the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the fucking.
Oh no, now we've got to do a spoonful of it.
Oh,
Oh, that's got a kick.
Stick your spoon up your arse, mate.
Oh, that hit you at the end, didn't it? You had yours. You had yours, have you?
Jesus, that one's hot, mate.
Oh.
Oh, mate.
Woo.
Right,
22 was it?
I've got to go wash my
Dad,
hands.
have
you-
one, please.
Are you alright with it?
Yeah.
Alright, spoonful then, yeah?
Well, a bit of beer, does that not enhance
Yeah, yeah.
it a bit, no?
Huh?
Beer's not really...
Good, man. That was hot.
Are you going to go for a spoonful of it then?
I'll have a spoonful.
Go and grab a spoon then, mate.
I like that one.
My mouth's got like wax.
Nah, fuck that.
No, you're not doing a spoonful.
Nah, mate.
No, I'm
You
not.
alright?
Just how's it outdoors then?
yeah, I'm
Yeah,
still
yeah,
alright.
no,
For the
you
win,
said.
for the win, Carl.
No, you said, mate. Can't back down now.
Fuck that.
Yeah, I said each.
No, you won. You do a spoonful, you won.
Yeah, if you do the spoonful, you've won.
I ain't bothered about winning. I thought we should all do
Yeah,
it for
you
the
back it out now,
experience.
ain't you?
No, that's all the experience. I thought it'd look
That's
good.
all he's gone on about all day, is
Yeah,
winning,
yeah.
and now he said he's
Go
not
on.
bothered about winning.
Archie's getting you a spoon.
Oh, mate, it's only scraps it there. My mouth's on fire, mate. Oh,
I thought you was the one with the hot food.
And you do
I'm
realise
alright.
it was a serving spoon, wasn't it, he's getting? Not just a
Yeah,
teaspoon.
he's getting the old mixing spoon.
Oh, mate.
Woo.
Yeah, big ladle. That was all right.
Just want to drink it from the bottle, do you?
It's all in the mind, mate. It's all in the mind.
Is it?
Yeah, my fucking eyes are...
Now mine's in the mouth, mate.
Yeah.
Definitely in the mouth, mate.
That is what?
Huh?
All in the mind.
It's all in the mind, yeah.
2 spoons in. Coming up.
Not for me, mate. I'm just trying to talk myself out of the burning sensation in my mouth.
Psyching yourself out of it.
If you rub your balls, that will all be in your pants.
I've got to wash my hands as well. I've got to do. It's on my
Oh,
finger.
Yeah, that's the worst.
Yeah, I know.
Rub your
That's
eyes.
what I mean. Your
When you
eyes
go
and
for
your.
it, when you go
As
to
you
the
go
loo.
for a pee. That's what I mean.
Come on. What are you going for? You gonna go for
I'm going for the larger Dad.
tablespoon or teaspoon?
Is this video?
You're against Archie.
Go on,
So.
then.
Against Archie,
Yeah,
am I?
so Archie, what are you going for?
Largest.
I'm just
There you
come
go,
out
you
here
go
to
for the
watch.
largest then. Yeah?
Alright.
Who's going first?
Silly.
What? You don't like that last one, do you?
No, but did you even scoop it up properly, like proper?
What do you mean?
Mate, well, I'm cooking. How are you not even like? How are you not even flinching?
You gonna accept the challenge?
I don't know.
What, have you not had it already?
I don't know if
Archie's
Archie
gonna be
can,
like
to be honest. So Lee.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Not with that
Wait,
hot
Dad.
one.
Is it?
Just
Yeah.
scoop
Right.
some out of the bowl, mate.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
you-
doing
You
it,
can have a go.
Dad.
That's all the stuff there. Can't have it. God.
What, is
Go
everyone
on.
already have it?
Put it up in it, mate.
Why?
Everyone watching, if he does a tablespoon
I can't-
potted sauce,
A
you've all got to go.
tablespoon?
You've all got to go to Hazard Outdoors, like, share, subscribe. Are you gonna do
I've
it?
done all this before. They don't.
Well, it's a draw.
Nothing.
No. All right.
All just each other.
Well, is no one doing it?
No.
No one's doing
Oh.
Wrap this up then. So
Seeing colours.
you know you're not gonna.
it. I must admit.
I'm not doing it on my own.
All right. All right.
I said.
Sorted.
Why
I
don't,
said we should all do
Merry
it.
Christmas.
why don't you